हेलो बच्चे, I am Prakriti. Today I am going to discuss about the types of quadrilateral. Here I have shown all the diagrams of quadrilateral. This is parallelogram, this is rectangle, this is square, this is rhombus, two types of rhombus, trapezium, type of trapezium, isosceles trapezium, and this is the kite. These are all the quadrilaterals. Now we have to know what is quadrilateral. See, this diagram is a quadrilateral. The diagram that closed by four sides is called quadrilateral. Quadrilateral has always four sides and four angles. Here A, B, B, C, C, D and DA lines makes the diagram quadrilateral. DAB, ABC and BCA, CDA are the angles. Here one angle, two angle, three angle, four angle. So one side, two side, three side, four sides. Four side closed. The types of quadrilateral. Here I have made a chart diagram for the types of quadrilateral. Here see parallelogram, trapezium and kite. Three types are the main category of quadrilateral, and parallelogram have three special characters: rectangle, square and rhombus. Trapezium has one character, isosceles trapezium, and there is kite is another type of quadrilateral. Now see parallelogram. What is parallelogram? A quadrilateral in which opposite sides are parallel and equal. See, A, B, C, D is the parallelogram. The line BA, this is BA and this is DA. The two lines meet at a point A. A is called vertices. Here are four vertices. That means 4 points where two lines are intersecting. And here is the angle, A angle. In the case of parallelogram, AD is parallel to BC. Okay, and also AD equal to BC. Opposite lines are parallel and equal, and alternatively AB parallel to CD and also AB equal to CD, and the opposite angle like A equal to C and B equal to D. These are the properties of parallelogram. Okay, and AC, this is the line AC and this is line BD, are called the diagonals of the parallelogram. The diagonals are intersecting at O. I am putting a name O, and the diagonals bisects each other. What is bisection? Bisection means two lines are cut each other into equal portion, that is AO equal to OC, alternatively BO equal to OD, but not always AC equal to BD. That means in the case of parallelogram, the diagonals will equal or may not be equal. Okay, these are the properties. Now rectangle. Rectangle is a special case of parallelogram. A parallelogram in which all sides are equal, that is AB not the all sides, opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal, that is AB equal to DC, BC equal to AD. Okay, and in like the parallelogram, AB parallel to DC and BC parallel to AD. What is the special case in rectangle? The angles are equal, and that is 90 degree. All the angles are 90 degree. And the another special characteristic is the diagonals are equal. AC equal to BD and also bisects each other. That is AO equal to OC, DO equal to OB. This part and this part equal. This part and this part also equal. Okay. Now the square. A parallelogram in which all the sides are equal. In the case of rectangle, the opposite sides are equal. In the square, all the sides are equal. That is AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA, and the opposite sides are also parallel, and all the angles are 90 degree like rectangle. What is different from rectangle? Difference is that all these sides are equal and diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. This angle AOB equal to 90 degree. Also this angle is 90 degree. All the angles are 90 degree. The diagonals bisects at 90 degree and the diagonal also equal. Rhombus. A parallelogram having all sides equal. Like the square, rhombus has all the sides equal, that is AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA, and also opposite sides are parallel. But what is the special and different from the square? That is the angles are not 90 degree. This angle and this angle are not 90 degree. A equal to C, opposites angle are equal but not 90 degree. D equal to B but not 90 degree. Diagonals bisect each other, and same as the parallelogram, diagonals may or may not be equal. So what we have shown that in the case of parallelogram and rhombus, the diagonals may or may not be equal, but the rest of the case we have shown that in the case of rectangle, square, the diagonals are equal. So rhombus and square is same characteristic, only the characteristic are different is from the square is the diagonals may or may not be equal in the case of rhombus. In the case of square, the diagonals are equal, and in the case of rhombus, the angles are not 90 degree, but always in the case of square, the angles are 90 degree. Now here is special type of quadrilateral trapezium. What is trapezium? A quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite sides are parallel. In the case of parallelogram, two pairs of opposite sides are parallel. But in trapezium, only AB is parallel to CD, but not this side. AD and BC is not parallel. And special case of trapezium is isosceles trapezium. In the case of isosceles trapezium, AB equal to CD. And the angle B equal to C and A equal to D. And here I have drawn AB to extend and also extend BC and AD. When we draw a line and it cut the one pair of parallel line, it is called transverse. Here AB, the extended line AB, is the transverse for the line BC and AD. So the internal angle which are made here, that is B angle and A angle, they are supplementary. These angles are supplementary, that is B plus A equal to 180 degree. Alternatively, C plus D equal to 180 degree. And B plus A plus C plus D 360 degree. This is the isosceles trapezium. Kite, a quadrilateral in which two pairs of adjacent sides are equal, that is AB and AD are equal. Alternatively, BC and CD is equal. This is special type of quadrilateral. So बच्चे, these are all the quadrilateral. Please go through it and see the pictures thoroughly. This is all. Bye.